vlog starting the morning of the century here, leaving on Wednesday's 104-mile route on a blinky lights. Pretty cool temperatures. Looking forward to a fun, albeit long day in the saddle.
So give me your advice for the surviving 100 miles.
Keep eating, just non-stop. Yeah.
Your advice for riding 100 miles?
And don't do it on a mountain bike. Riding 100, start early.
Yeah.
Especially if you're one of the drinkers, because you will have a late night.
Make a lot of stops.
Yeah.
Eat a lot.
Eat a lot. What do you think?
Take it easy. Don't
Yeah.
push it.
Yep. No racing.
No racing.
Quick stops.
Yes.
Eat a bunch.
Yes.
I would say not eat small amounts
Often,
a
yeah.
lot of
Yeah.
times.
Eat often.
Yeah.
And just get on your bike and ride.
So here's the review. This has got peanut butter, chipotle, and bacon. I'd say it's pretty good. I definitely eat it again.
All right, we got Bill Wanders here. Tell us a little about your story, Bill. When did you start riding on the way to RAGBRAI?
My ride across Iowa started in Oregon on June 7th at Cannon Beach. So this is day 51, I think.
Self-contained?
Self-contained all the way.
How's that treating you?
It's good. That's good. I suppose I could have packed my stuff on the truck, but it was just part of my mental to go all the way by myself. I felt like I had to carry my gear.
So from Oregon, where's your final destination?
Virginia Beach will be final destination.
Outstanding. Best of luck to you. All right, we're with Pat Zortman this morning, otherwise known as the Human Extra Sketch and Run for Armstrong. Rick, tell us a little bit about what you do.
So basically what I do is I run and use GPS to spell out names of kids fighting cancer. And this week, I will be running at least one name a day.